How's it going? Today I'll show you the best codes that you can use on the AppLinked alternative app store on your Firestick. This way you'll get access to thousands of movies, TV shows, gaming apps, spicy apps, utility applications, IPTV players, media players, and so on. And the whole setup process is pretty easy too and will take you around 5 minutes. And now without any further ado, let me show you how to set a total app on your Firestick. And now, first of all, you have to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, go to search on the Fire TV stick and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has now already popped out for us at the bottom. You will click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV stick. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to set up the downloader, you go to the settings on your Fire TV stick. Here they are, open them, and after that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now from here, you have to turn on developer options on your Firestick device. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me, at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. You open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. Here it is, we open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire stick. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which we always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your Firestick device, open up downloader, and wait until it loads for us. Now here, in that search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which will be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's AppLinked. .store. So here you go, that's the link. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because otherwise, if you make a mistake, then of course the link is not gonna work. After that, click on go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now when the website has opened, what you have to do here is at the top, click on that download AppLinked button, and now the AppLinked will start downloading to your Firestick. It usually doesn't take too much time, should take only a couple of seconds. After that, click on install and wait for the AppLinked to finish installing on your Firestick. After that, click on done to get an option to delete the unnecessary installation files from your Firestick by clicking on delete here and then delete once again. And now we need to go to settings actually one more time by clicking that button, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Then again go to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time turn that option on for AppLinked so you would be able to use it to download other applications from the internet. And now finally we are ready to use AppLinked on your Firestick, so go to the list of apps on your device. Of course, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe online, and then open AppLinked. And now in here, actually what you have to do is click on add a store, and there we'll be entering the code. So the first code we'll enter will be 88099. So once again, 88099, you click on next, click on add, wait a moment, and then the code is gonna appear in the saved stores. So click on a save stores and select open. And from here you get access to movie apps, live sports, live TV applications, some VPN apps, TV shows, media players, IPTV players, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact apps available in this alternative app store. But in your case, of course, it is not gonna be blurry. So that is the first code that we use today. And now let's go back and I'll show you even more codes for the AppLinked. So we have to go back, click on add a store again, and now we'll be using another code, which will be 8970. So once again, 8970, click on next, click on add, and now the second code will also appear in the saved stores. So click on save stores, and then instead of the first code, we need to select the 8970 code. Click on open again. And this way you get access to another alternative app store with loads of movie apps, media players, alternative app stores, remote access applications, and so on. So that is the second code we got for you. And now let's head to the last code of today. It's gonna be third one. So click on the back button on your Firestick remote and then press add store again. And the last code will be 8120516990. So there's the code, just enter it as you see on the screen, and then click on next, of course, and follow the same steps as we usually do. So let's open the last code that we have entered. And this is also an amazing alternative app store for you with loads of useful applications. So today you learned how to get AppLinked on your Firestick as well as the best new codes to use there. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.